Oh my goodness, I am so excited because my Thermomix has arrived. And it actually arrived yesterday afternoon, and I have resisted opening it because I wanted to open it with you. So for those of you who haven't been following my journey, I have been approached so many times about looking at a Thermomix, going to a demo, or just being introduced to a Thermomix, and I have resisted and resisted for two reasons. Firstly, because I knew that I would get hooked and I wasn't quite ready to invest. And secondly, because of what I do, I felt like, and because, I do a lot of cooking workshops and a lot of cooking demos, I thought that you guys, my audience, my community would need to have a Thermomix. And I was like, but that puts in a difficult position. But then once I thought about it, I thought that I can actually do both. I can, still do what I've always been doing, but also I can add a Thermomix side to it. If you are watching me, type in the comments below if you have, or in the comments if you've got a Thermomix and what you're thinking, if you love it, what you think of it, or if you are, wanting one, if it's something that you've always wanted. So what I have decided to do is on a Wednesday. I'll normally do a live at 12:30 on a Wednesday anyway. So I'm going to call that the Wicked Wellbeing Wednesday, where I will just still do my normal stuff with my food processor and just share what I can inspire you with. And then on a Thursday, I'm going to make it Thermo Thursday. So that if you've got a Thermomix or you're thinking about getting a Thermomix, then I'm just going to share my journey with you about what I am learning and what you can create with a Thermomix. And it really, really excites me. What really excites me is that I can get rid of the space that it's going to create in the pantry, because I can get rid of so many appliances that I've got in the cupboards, which is going to create that space. And I'm really excited about the opportunity that it's going to open up to just having different, creating different meals, and the speed. The speed is like so incredible. It just blows my mind. And I feel like I'm very much a late adopter. When I posted on my page asking if people had one, what they thought, there were so many people who have already got a Thermomix. I was like, oh my goodness, this is just insane. Now, the other thing is that I deliberated and thought long and hard about whether I wanted to become a consultant. And I was like, it actually lends itself really, really well to my business. And so I have decided to, just give it a go and see what opens up, and how becoming a consultant helps my business. It's not, it's just going to be in a different arm to my business that I'm going to add on. And I'm really, really excited. So if you, we're going to open up this box together. I have no idea how hard or easy it is going to be to open up, but I am just bubbling inside. I'm like a kid in a candy store. And when I look at everything, what this machine can create, oh my goodness. So if you're thinking about, once I've learned, I can do an in-person demo and I can do an online demo, which I'm really excited about because I'm all over like doing demos online. So if you are interested, then just message me, comment below, and once I am up and running, then I will be in touch. Right, should we do it? Give me a thumbs up. Yeah, you're going to love it. Celia, I am like so excited. Right, okay, so it's kind of not that heavy. Do you know the other thing that I was concerned about was that it would take up a lot of space on my bench, but it just sits perfectly where my food processor sits anyway. Right, okay, let's go. It probably, oh look, it comes in a box, so I'm going to have to stand up. Okay, so this is the Verona, I think it is called. So this is the steaming function. like what I loved when I got to trial it for about a week, we cooked a chicken curry and it had cauliflower rice. So we made the cauliflower rice, and then we steamed the cauliflower rice on top of the chicken curry while it was all cooking together. And it blew my mind. Okay, so that is the steamer. That's the lid. It comes with a Basics Cookbook. Okay, now we're getting into the real machine. I feel like it's like a little space machine. Okay, I'll just heave it up. Okay, I do understand that and then there's a book. I do understand that they are trying to look at alternative ways of, not having so much plastic with their packaging. It's mine. It's so mine. Okay. There you go. So, can you see that? Let me just put that down. Okay. So, this screen here, this is another thing that blew my mind. This screen here, obviously I can't turn it on because I'm going to have to put all my details in. But it has an electronic, that's a keypad. And it has got access to over 70,000 recipes, which you just go, you click the screen and you go, I want to cook this recipe, and it goes next. And it says it weighs. So you can put your onion and your garlic in, and then you follow the instructions. So what I thought was, with the kids, I thought it would take them away from cooking, but it's actually going to teach them even more how to cook. So let me just show you this feature, how this works, because I think this is really, really dinky. So this sits on top here, like this, and so you can steam salmon, chicken, which makes it super healthy, veggies, and it just goes on top. And you can put, honestly, okay, I'm going to stop now, but thank you for joining me for my big reveal. And as I say, if you want to know more, then just, I'm not going to become that consultant where it's really pushy. I just want to do it in my authentic, real, honest way, where I'm going to share with you what I love so much about it. And just as I learn, I'll share my learnings with you. So if you want to, are interested in learning more, then just comment below or message me privately and share with me what you love about it. Okay. See you later. Thanks so much for joining me. Bye.